Hi friends, I'm Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches, and this is one of my videos for absolute beginners. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet the treble stitch, as called in the UK. In the United States it's called double crochet stitch. It is the exact same stitch, but in each country they use a different name for it. In order to crochet the double crochet stitch, as it's called in the US, we have to have a foundation row, and in order to have a foundation row, we have to crochet the chain stitch. So, if you are not familiar with how to crochet the chain stitch, please watch one of my previous videos. For now, I'm going to crochet 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anytime you start a crochet project, be sure to count your chains, because this is very important in order to follow the pattern correctly. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This loop which is on my hook, it's not counted. In order to start crocheting the double crochet stitch, we insert our hook into the third chain from the hook. So this is not counted. So 1, 2, this is our third chain. If you don't know where to insert your hook, you can also watch one of my previous videos to find exactly where you should insert your hook. Of course, there are other places where you can insert your hook depending on the crochet project, but as beginners I would suggest that you follow this method. So now what we do, we yarn over the hook, and then we insert our hook into the third chain of our foundation row. We have one loop on top of our hook, and then yarn over again and pull through. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. What we yarn over again, we pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through the rest 2. So now we have our first double crochet. I will do it once again. Yarn over, insert the hook inside the chain of the foundation row, taking care to insert it between the top loop and the other 2. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over again and pull through the rest 2. It's a good idea to pinch your crochet project with your thumb, because in that way you can crochet more steadily. So again, one more. We yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through the other 2. Yarn over, insert our hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then through the other 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through, and again yarn over and pull through. So as you can see, this stitch is a bit higher, bigger than the single crochet stitch I've showed you into one of my previous videos. Yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the other 2, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over again and pull through, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 first loops, yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the rest 2. One more, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2. So now we have finished our first row of double crochet stitches. And now it's a good idea to always count your stitches when you finish your row. So for here we don't count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why we started off with 12 chains, because the first 2 we use them to turn our crochet project. Now let's start our second row. In order to start our second row, first we have to crochet 2 chain stitches. 1, 2. Because this will give us the height we need for our double crochet stitch. Now we turn our crochet project like a book. That means we turn it to the left, and a good way to know which row you are is to look at this tail. You are on the second row, it's on your right side. And now, as you can see, on top of the first row, a row of V's is formed. Now, in order to crochet the double crochet stitch for the second row, we yarn over the hook and then we insert our hook between the previous stitches. So we insert it here. We pull through the first 2 and then we pull through the other 2. So let's go on like this. We yarn over the hook, insert the hook here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and then yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. This is our second double crochet stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over again and pull through the rest 2. This is our third. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull through, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the rest 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull to the other 2, yarn over, pull through, let's go like this until the end. So now we are about to reach the end of our project. So now you should count your stitches again. As we said, we don't count this the 2 chains we used to turn our project. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As I told you in one of my previous videos, I prefer people to know how to distinguish their stitches. So the double crochet stitch, if you look closely, you will see that it has a bump here. This is a good way to know how to count your stitches. Again, now let's go to the 3rd row. In order to go to the 3rd row, we also have to crochet 2 chains and then flip our project to the left. As you can see now, our tail is on the left. Our tail is always on the left on our odd rows, and on the right on our even rows. So we crocheted 2 chains, yarn over, go inside here, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops and yarn over again and pull through the other 2. As you see, and now I kind of pinch my crochet project with my thumb and my middle finger, because it's easier to crochet when you do that. Yarn over, go through it, pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. Once more, yarn over, insert your hook between your previous stitches, yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the other 2. So we go on like this until the end of our row. Be careful when you are at the end of your row not to forget to crochet on this chain, on these 2 chains, because otherwise you will have fewer stitches in your next row. It's a bit difficult to insert your hook here, but if you try, you will find a way to do it. And here it is. So now if I count my stitches, I must have 10, because I'm not going to count these chain stitches, these 2 chains. This is the way we crochet the double crochet stitch, or treble stitch as it's called in the UK. I hope you liked my video. keep practicing in order to get the hang of it. I hope to see you in one of my next videos. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up or a comment on what you would like me to crochet in my next videos. I hope to see you again soon. Until then, think positive.